What's good, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a synth swell and add it to your music. I haven't seen anyone do a tutorial about this on YouTube, which is something that I hear a lot of people use in their music, and I'm super surprised why no one has actually made a video about this, but I guess I'm the first one to make a video about this, so this is going to be super cool. So let me show you how you can do that in Logic Pro, and you can also apply this method in any DAW of your choice. Okay, so I have a track pulled up here that I have that has this effect that's kind of like a synth swell. So I'm going to play you this section here. It sounds like this. Did you hear that? This is the sound here. If I can just solo it, it sounds like this. It's got that kind of like a reverse uplifting sound going on that's happening. So it's this purple file right here, this purple sound right here. So let me play it again for you. So I'm going to show you how you can make this from scratch. This is actually a WAV file, so you don't see anything. So I'm going to show you how you can make this. So all you just have to do, if I can unsolo this, is to create a new pattern. So I'm just going to create a new pattern like this. That's there. So I'm just going to drag it down underneath the swell that I have over here. Just right there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the chords that I have of the track, and I'm just going to drag them over, and I'm just gonna drop them here, and then I'm just gonna make sure I trim them like this so that we just have these chords. So I'm just gonna zoom in like that. Just notice the important part here is to just use the chords, like the first chords in your chord progression in your track, if you do have chords. If you don't have chords, you can even use maybe just the root note. If you have the track and you know the root note of the track, or the root note of the progression of the melody that you're playing in the track, you can also use that. It works the same. So if I play the sound, it sounds like this. If I just mute the original swell, it sounds like that. It doesn't sound good at all, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the effects. I'm just going to open I here, and I'm going to add a gain plugin. So I'm just going to add a gain plugin right here, and then I'm going to automate the gain. So I'm just going to switch to automation like that. When we come here, I'm just going to create a point at the end where I want it to end, and also where I want it to start. And where I wanted to start here, I wanted to start like maybe minus 20 dB, like that, so that it builds up, right? Just like that. So we're getting there, but there's gonna be a little bit of like some final steps that we're gonna add to this to make it sound super nice. So what you can do is you can maybe EQ it a little bit. So I'm going to open the EQ and just EQ out some low frequencies and a little bit of the high frequencies out a little bit, just to control the sound. And then I'm going to add some reverb. So I'm going to add a chroma verb, and I'm also going to add a tape delay. So you can add any delay or reverb that you want to use. It's up to you. And then if I play it back now, it sounds like this. It sounds cool, right? It sounds super nice. So that's how you make your own synth swell. If you found this super helpful, make sure to drop this video a like, and also share this with a friend, and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I'm X, and I'm out. Peace.